Best Meat Thermometer 2020, the best smart cooking thermometers for every budget, T3. Enjoy delicious, perfectly cooked food this summer with a little help from one of these smart cooking thermometers. The best smart thermometers come into their own in summer. After all, slapping meat on the barbie while enjoying a tinny is a perennial summer rite. The best meat thermometer could save you from bad meals and might even save your life. And even if you're not a meat eater, the best cooking thermometer can still perform the first of those two functions. Enter the smart thermometer, wired or Bluetooth-equipped temperature monitoring gadgets that you can pair with your smartphone or tablet and ensure that the grub you're cooking up is grilled, roasted or baked to perfection. Yes, smart thermometers aren't just for Barbies, you can use them when cooking in your kitchen. 2. Heck, you can even use them when making cold foods, such as ice cream. It's all in the temperature monitoring. You see, all smart thermometers use probes, long, needle-like devices that can be used to measure the temperature both inside and outside whatever it is that you're cooking. Most smart thermometers come equipped with 2 probes, enabling you to either monitor 2 separate food items, handy if you're grilling a steak for you and a mate, or to measure both the core temperature of the food and the ambient temperature. Each probe connects to the thermometer using a dedicated port, with the most expensive models coming with up to 4 or even 6 ports, although you'll usually have to pay extra for the probes. One of the best things about smart thermometers is that they take some of the guesswork out of cooking. Download the appropriate app for your smartphone or tablet and you'll be able to choose from presets that include food type, temperature and cooking time, and whether you'd like your food rare, medium or well done, with alarms alerting you when the food is up to temperature or the cooking time is up. Most apps also enable you to choose from these settings manually. 2. And some even include recipes to inspire you. Anything else? Many smart thermometers include grill or pan clips to ensure that the probes stay in the right position when you're cooking. And some include magnets that enable you to securely attach it to the outside of your oven, cooker or barbecue. Others also include separate displays, enabling you to keep tabs on your food without having to have your phone or tablet on you, handy if you've left it indoors, it's wet out, or if your phone or tablet has simply run out of juice. Salter is a well-known kitchenware brand with a long-established history of meeting cooks' needs. This Bluetooth thermometer is no exception. Its stylish and compact white ABS plastic body looks every inch the kitchen accessory, and includes 2 separate ports for connecting the stainless probes supplied, one for food temperature, and one for ambient oven temperature. Designed for temperatures ranging from -25 to 250 degrees C. It also includes a magnet on the back so you can easily attach it to your oven, cooker or barbecue. Team the Salter Cook with your smartphone or tablet via Bluetooth and you'll soon see how well thought out this device is. The free Salter Cook app for iOS and Android is slick, easy to use and comes with a range of built-in recipes with easy-to-follow instructions and colorful pictures to inspire you. And you can easily add recipes from BBC Good Food, All Recipes and the Food Network, or manually enter your own. Choose a recipe, and the app will automatically set the right temperature and cooking time for you, with LED lights by each port on the thermometer also lighting up when the food or your oven reaches the right level. The Salter Cook app also includes separate temperature and timer options. And if you team it with the Salter Cook scale, available separately, you'll also be able to use it to weigh your ingredients. The UK-designed meter is a stylish cooking thermometer that not only looks fantastic, but is super easy to set up and use. 2. Its stainless steel probe is equipped with 2 sensors, one to monitor the temperature of what you're cooking, and a second to keep tabs on the ambient temperature. Both are easily monitored using the free Meter app for iOS and Android, which also contains a smart guided cook to help you with the cooking process. The second part of the Meter system is the charger, which resembles a wooden knife block, powered itself by a AAA battery and with a magnet for easy attachment to metal surfaces. The charger not only provides a stylish home for the probe, but also juices up the device's internal battery, which lasts for up to 24 hours between recharges. Anything else? While Bluetooth 4.0 has a theoretical maximum range of 10 meters, you can extend the wireless range of the meter by teaming it with the optional MeterLink Wi-Fi and Meter Cloud. Those who want to keep the BBQs fully locked down will be glad to know there's also a 4-probe box set of meters available, dubbed the Meter Block. Naturally stylish and packed with useful features, including the ability to monitor up to 6 different foods at a time. Made from aircraft-grade aluminium and colored a deep gorgeous red, the Grilly is certainly one good-looking piece of kit. It's also one of the most fully featured thermometers here. It comes with 6 ports, enabling to monitor up to 6 different food temperatures at any one time, although only 2 probes are included. It also boasts a dual LED display, with one portion showing the current temperature, the other the target temperature, enabling you to keep an eye on both. As with the Maverick HFET 735 below, having a built-in display lets you monitor your grub even if you don't have your smartphone or tablet on you, which is a useful thing to have. The Grilly works best, of course, when it's teamed with your smartphone or tablet via the free Grilly app for iOS and Android. Happily, this is one of the best smart thermometer apps out there, with a minimalist, uncluttered design that's easy to use. Bluetooth connectivity is solid with little in the way of dropouts. The only real downer is the lack of a built-in magnet for attaching it to your oven, cooker, etc. Although it comes with a rather natty kickstand instead. Expensive, only works with Weber Genesis 2 and Genesis 2 Lux Series BBQs. A grill app is a bit odd and buggy. The Weber Grill 3 takes the guesswork out of summer barbecue cooking with the bespoke temperature sensor that seamlessly attaches to the company's Genesis 2 and Genesis 2 Lux Series gas barbecues. This means that the accompanying Weber Grill app, which is available to download free for iOS and Android, is able to do a lot more than just measure the temperature. It can even monitor the amount of fuel left in the BBQ's tank and switch the BBQ's knob lights on and off. The Weber Grill app, which is bit salesy and odd, to be honest, also enables you to set up multiple timers, and even includes a social sharing element. So you can share your meat feast and see where other Weber barbecue users are, and what they're cooking up. Or at least it would, if the app didn't keep crashing all the time. The Grill 3 itself is a rounded black and silver Bluetooth thermometer, which includes a proximity sensor so it automatically powers up and down as a paired phone gets closer or further away from it. It also comes with 4 ports and 2 temperature probes, giving you plenty of options when it comes to monitoring the slabs of meat grilling away on the barbecue. It also has a wider than average operating range, with the probes measuring from -50 to 380 degrees C. Team it with the free WeGrill app for iOS and Android and you'll be able to choose from 3 different cooking modes: rare, medium and well done, based on meat type, and then set the desired cooking time and temperature. The app comes with cooking presets for beef, veal, venison, lamb, pork, chicken, duck, fish and hamburgers. Using the probe, you can measure the temperature of the meat as it cooks. The app lets you know when your food has reached the right level. The WeGrill one itself is rather uninspiring to look at, but it does come with 2 different ports for attaching the probe to. Plus you can always attach a second probe if you wish, available separately. The WeGrill one has a magnet on the back so you can attach it to your oven, cooker or barbecue. The probe is capable of measuring spot temperatures of up to 300 degrees C, and up to 250 degrees C for prolonged monitoring. It also has a temperature setting range of -25 to 200 degrees Celsius. So you can use it to check the temperature when making ice cream and other cold food. Text source, t3.com.